What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how you can send money from PayPal to GCash. Hey everyone, welcome back to TechMan. So to transfer money from PayPal to your GCash, follow the step-by-step instructions. First, open the PayPal app on your device and ensure your account has sufficient funds for the transfer. Next, tap Payments at the bottom of the screen. Then scroll down and select More options. From there, choose Mobile Wallet Transfers. Select Philippines as the destination country and proceed to enter the transfer amount, such as $50. And now tap Next. Opt for Mobile Wallet as the transfer method and select GCash as the mobile wallet provider. Enter the recipient's GCash registered mobile number and any required additional details, such as the recipient name. Finally, review the transfer details and confirm to send the money to the recipient's GCash account. This completes the process seamlessly, ensuring your money reach its intended destination efficiently. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.